just missed two of the bass boats that left. Hang on.
Believe it or not, these lights are still on. Said this is normally the primitive camping area of Rocky Creek, and you can normally go up in here about 200 yards. But what we're going to do, we're going to turn and go up this power line cut, which is normally out of water. I mean, we're normally sitting on dry land right now, and we're going to go back in here. And there's a poor farmer up here. I hope he had insurance, because his whole Sudan field is underwater, and that's where we're going to be catching bait today. Just a second, it's going to jump up probably 10 foot or so. This is the depth here. See, we're coming up now. Now then, we're actually sitting in the parking lot right now. This is the parking lot right here. Crazy.